I made this quick clip for this quick clip. I make it for Kay Shallon, because he was asking about do you need to grind out every piece of the boat? And the question is, the answer, the short answer is no. The long answer for me is that if you've never done this before, I would recommend grinding out everywhere, because my rationale is that I didn't want to, once I finished grinding, I didn't want to go back and be grinding. So in other words, because you're going to try to put everything back the best way you can, the way you took it out. But the chances are, if you're not if you don't fiberglass every day and all the time, you're not going to know how much overlay and overspace ahead of time. I mean, you know the basics, the 3-inch overlap and all that jazz, but you don't know all the specifics. And so therefore, rather than to keep having to stop your construction, your reconstruction and your restoration work, in order to prevent from having to stop and to do that, to go back and grind the area that you didn't grind, I prefer to just do the whole thing, but that's me. And then as far as your strakes, the only places I had to fill in strakes was here all the way up to there. And I don't remember in quarts how much that was. I think it was, I want to say it was 2 quarts maybe to do this. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But it was from here up and from here up. What I think is the original stringers were 3/8 or really, really super thin. And they might have sat in these strakes, but my original stuff was so bad that I couldn't verify that. The stringers could have very well sat outside of the strakes. But it was so rotted, and when I was doing the deconstruction, I couldn't tell really how it was done. So I'm just putting everything back the best way I can. The only thing that I am lost on, well, I'm going to get on that on this thread, because I'm just trying, on this video, because I'm just trying to answer your question. The reasons why you would scrape off the sides is because if you don't, I don't plan on putting any carpet back in here at all. So that was another reason why I grinded everything. I have no intention of putting carpet nowhere back in here. If you're going to re-carpet, you might not have to grind the side. See, I took off everything. I took off that side piece where the throttle cape, where the throttle goes and all that, because I'm redoing all of that. In my transit. But in answer to your question, it just depends on how much what your plans are really, and how well you can look into the future as far as your fiberglass skills. I think that's what he talking. But the short answer is no, you don't have to grind everything out.